Management is all about quick and informed decisions. However, our research shows that several of our customers have issues which are as long as 500 to 1,000 words, and the analysts spend hours to just understand the context of these issues. The issue managers themselves then review and refine them before taking action. It can often take weeks or even months for the issue to be investigated and resolved. What if we could use AI to do this in seconds? We're really excited to introduce Now Assist for IRM. And that is the first use case wherein we are using the power of generative AI into integrated risk management. Issue summarization with Now Assist is a smarter way to process risk issues, and it accelerates decisions. Our Now Assist reads through the lengthy reports, scans the attachments, and delivers a crisp, structured summary of your entire issue, all the remediation tasks, all the relevant information that is needed by your analyst or your issue manager to take a decision on that issue. And all of this just in a matter of few seconds. With this, the risk management teams can focus on risk management rather than spending a lot of time understanding the problem. So let's see how this works. I am here logged in as an issue manager, and I see that I have a lot of issues which are in process. Within this, I have sorted them by state in the analyzed state, and I have also sorted them by priority. I want to get into this issue and really understand what is it that's going on over here. There are a few details over here, some work notes, and they also have 3 remediation tasks, all in different states. What I can now do is I can use this magic pattern over here, which will help me summarize this issue. Now Assist takes into account all the fields, be it your headline, your title, your description, or even the state of this issue. And as you can see, now I have a generated issue summary, which gives me the description, the actions taken, and what the ongoing actions are. I can now also use this to copy it and share it in my work notes. Now Assist on IRM makes issue summarization so easy and issue management a less cumbersome task. So with that, just a few callouts. One is that this is our first launch of Gen AI within IRM. And currently, these capabilities are available only within our IRM products, which means that be on the lookout for more capabilities being introduced in our business continuity, third-party risk management, privacy, or ESG products. Even within IRM, these capabilities are currently available only to our IRM Pro and IRM Enterprise customers, and they would be required to have additional licenses, which are known as Pro Plus or Enterprise Plus. We request you to reach out to your sales representative for more. With that, this is just the beginning. With Now Assist for IRM, risk management isn't just faster, it's more effective and drives satisfaction for your risk management teams. Thank you.